My phone is almost dead. Do you have a charger?
Yes, it is a portable charger offered here on the table.
That's perfect. Thanks.
Can you believe how far technology has come?
It's hard to believe, isn't it? It's like you said earlier. There were barely any bank machines when we were growing up.
Now you can buy for almost anything online or buy holding an app on your phone.
It's unreal. It seems like yesterday that everyone was using home phones.
Now almost nobody has or owns a home phone. Everyone, including kids, have a telephone.
Do you really think it's for the best of? I mean, it used to be nice when people could learn back you at all times of day and night.
Yes, I think there are both points and bad points to it all. I mean, on hand, they might live either win it comes to business.
Yes, I agree with that point, but I think that people are too dependent on them. Nobody can rest and you can never really take a day off.
Yes, you are right, but can you make life with you cell phones?
Not anymore. I really on it all the time now. I can't live without it. I even check my phone messages in the middle of the night.
I have you there the sharp of sense how you about or everyday life activity.
As we speak, another message comes through.